Good evening, all. I hope everybody is fine there. Stay at home, don't go outside. So, this is Syed Fasiyuddin from ISL Engineering College. Today, we are going to continue our topic for antenna and wave propagation. In the last class, we have discussed about ground wave propagation. In today's class, we are going to discuss about duct propagation. So, what is the meaning of duct propagation? So, let us consider the figure of duct propagation. In this, we are going to see the earth surface. We are considering one earth surface. After that, we'll be having one sphere of top of your duct. Then we'll be having one transmitting antenna. Then we'll be having the trap wave propagating in series of hops. So what is the meaning of this duct propagation? So first of all, basically what is a duct propagation is, in order to understand this thing, let us consider some of the point. An atmosphere where the dielectric constant is assumed to be decreased uniformly, means whatever the dielectric medium is there, the dielectric medium consists of the different mediums where air is present and where air is absent. So what we are considering, a dielectric constant which assumed to be decreasing uniformly with the height to the value of unity. That means it's equals to 1, at which air density is supposed to be 0. Is called it as a normal atmosphere or a standard atmosphere. The meaning is that atmosphere where you will be going to see the height of an antenna or height of any air denser medium of that dielectric should be equals to 0. Then we can consider that medium should be the standard atmospheric medium. So now what we can see, in one of the air region where your energy with respect to height is always negative, then this region has some curvature. So what we can say, this is a curvature end. So whenever we had a curved surface, we'll get the curvature path. So what we are considering, this is a curvature path of this antenna. So what we are saying, in one of the region where your energy is negative, this region having curvature along with the curvature which the radio wave is passed is slightly greater than the earth. So what is the height we have considered? This is somewhat upper than the earth. Then this is called as duct propagation, where you will be having one transmitting end making the trap of the wave propagating. Then it is making different series of hop. Then we'll got the top of the duct. The whatever the energy. So due to this, the wave originally directed almost parallel to the surface of the earth get trapped in such region. The energy originating in the region, whatever the energy we have seen just now, propagates around curved surface. That means it's keep on propagating in the curved surface itself. That means it is got trapped. Trapped wave is propagating in the series of hop. So that point we are seeing. So that surface in the series of hop with the successive reflection from the surface of the earth. This phenomena is called super refraction or duct propagation, because refraction in the sense from the outer surface it is reaching to the point, from that point it's keep on moving into the surface. Refraction means from one medium to another medium, internally only your ray is going to be trapped. Then we can say that point should be the super refraction or duct propagation. So this is the concept of your duct propagation. So I hope everybody understood this part. The continuation of this we going to see in the next series of classes. Thank you for listening, and try to comment your roll number in the comment box.